All right, so now that it's installed, we have the truck running. I'm running on mode 1.5. You can change this up and down here. You can go down to 1.1. There we go. But then you can also, it also gives you modes over here. So mode button to 2 and to 3. There's like 5 different modes into this. I think 6 actually. You have this AU, your economy, nothing, and then your different 1, 2, and 3 modes. What I'll do is I'll start off on mode 1. Well, you know what? I'll start with no, your stock. And then when I drive down the road here, you'll be able to see the difference and how the throttle response is way different. Get down onto the road here. We're still on a no throttle response, just your stock setting of what factory comes with the truck here. Let's get onto a main road. And what's crazy about it is, like, you can feel it if you're driving and you touch that button, leaving your throttle at the same position that you're at, it picks up. You can feel it. Down here on the straight in here. All right, without touching the gas anymore, you can hear it just a little bit more. Watch, go to stage 2 and stage 3, all on the same throttle position that I was at. I drive around on 2. It's fantastic. It's I did have it started up on 1.5. That's the nice thing about it too, is you can change these all the way down to, 3 has 9 different settings or 8 different settings, which is it's pretty nice. Like I said, I drive around on 2.1 for $70. You really can't beat this thing. In comparison to paying for a pedal commander that's what, $400 or $500, or a throttle commander that's $300. For $70, like, I recommend it to everybody. I'll put a link in the description of where to buy it and how much it is. You can get them for all different makes and models. You just make sure you select the right one in the settings. Be sure to like and share, subscribe. I got more videos to come. More on this Silverado. My next video will be just doing the U-joints. I know it's kind of like an easy job, but it's I show different ways of how to get it done. Hope you like it.